Hi guys, my beautiful people. Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year to you all. Today, welcome to homemade cooking and make meat pie with me. Yes, a friend of mine actually said I should make the meat pies for her and her family. So I was like, being a good friend of that I am, I was like, okay, I would make the meat pie. So this is me mixing the dough. I have my flour, nutmeg, baking powder, butter, egg, and we are going to add warm water. Then we mix all together. Finally, the time we are mixing this, please, guys, comment on my page. Kindly like, kindly subscribe. Yes, like I said in all my video, your comment, your subscription keep me going. Now we are done mixing our dough. Let's wrap it up and put it aside for some minutes while we prepare our meat pie sauce. Yes, meat pie sauce. Yes, for our meat pie sauce I got corned beef, curry, thyme, pepper, carrots, and then I use onions. Yes, onions and Irish potato. Yes, so make the sauce with me, guys. So we have a vegetable inside the pan, our onion, yes. Then we had a potato, canned beef, and what else? Carrots. Yes, we're adding curry, and this is thyme, and this is not cube, not chicken cube, and we had a bit of salt. Then we added the flour mix, then we stir it all up together and leave it for some minutes. Then we are going to add bell pepper. Yes. In this part, some people don't like bell pepper. They don't like pepper. But when I'm eating something, I need to taste spice. Yes. So that's why I added bell pepper. And I've already explained to my friend as well. And she said she doesn't have issue with it. So let's roll our pie. Yes, let's roll it. She actually said she will come to pick it up 10 p.m. today. I hope I'll be able to finish up. Yes, because I actually took 2 hours to prepare this. So this is what I use for my meat pie shape. It is very easy, convenient. Yes, it is very easy, convenient. Please, guys, comment on my page, like, subscription, keep me going. Yes, your comment, your subscription keep me going. Yes, this is me adding the sauce. Yeah, then wooden it, open it, and put it in the tray. And this already, you put it in the oven for some minutes. Our meat pie is ready. Thank you for watching. Bye.